In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add basic movement to a sprite in Scratch. Currently, the only sprite I have is Sprite 1, and it is this cat right here. But before starting, or before you begin any Scratch project, you should change Untitled to a descriptive name for your project. In this case, I'm going to name it Basic Movement. Now we will begin by selecting an event that will allow us to start our movement. Under Events, I'm going to click and drag when Space key is pressed. Then, I'm going to immediately change Space to right arrow and go to Motion. Under Motion, we need to first select Point in Direction, and we're going to keep the 90 there. Then add Move 10 steps. This set of blocks will make the cat move to the right when you press the right arrow key. We will now do the same for left, up, and down. However, there is a shorter or faster way to get those blocks. We can simply hold down the Control key and click on this top block and choose Duplicate. Again, that was hold down the Control key, click on the top block, and choose Duplicate. And you could duplicate the block you're already on so that we have 4 total. Next, we will change right arrow to up arrow, or it could be down arrow or left arrow. We need to do all those. Then click on the 90 and click on this little arrow and drag it up until it says 0. Click outside of this block, change this right arrow to down, click on the 90 and drag this arrow down. Now click outside of this block. We now have right, up, down, so that leaves the left. Click on right arrow, choose left arrow, click on 90 and drag this arrow until it's pointing to the left. Click outside of here. Let's test it. I'm going to press the left arrow key, and as you can see, the cat does in fact move to the left, but it flips upside down, so I will show you how to fix that in a minute. The up arrow key does make the cat move up, down arrow key does make the cat move down, and right arrow key makes the cat move to the right. To keep the cat from turning or rotating, when we use the arrow keys, we click on Direction, we click on this icon for Do Not Rotate, and also click on these two little arrow key or arrows pointing towards each other, or triangles that say left/right. When we select that, the cat will change directions when you use the left arrow key and the left and right arrow keys. When we go up, the cat stays the same way. When we go down, the cat stays the same way. There are several ways to add movement to a sprite in Scratch. This is one of the most simple ways to do it.